Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this right here is the Xbox 360. So if you're a person who has several hobbies or you like to do different things with your time, and if you consider yourself somebody who likes to play games, then this Xbox 360 is for you. It is a perfect way in which you can entertain yourself, whether you're home alone or perhaps if you want to have some friends over and play as well, then this Xbox 360 is perfect for that. And this Xbox 360, something else that is really nice about it is the fact that it's not too big. As you can see, I can carry it myself without a problem, and it is so nice that you can place this on your desk and it doesn't occupy a lot of space. So it's nice to have your Xbox on your desk knowing that it's not going to take up half of your desk. And also it is super easy to install and set up and just easy to get on and play some games and entertain yourself, whether you're alone and want to have some fun or whether you have some friends over. The Xbox 360 is perfect for you if you like to play video games. And that is my point of view.